What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a car that doesn't start. Okay, nothing wrong with it. Customer went to a few mechanics, so I got a terminal here. We're gonna put a terminal on this baby and it should be a simple fix. So problem she's having is it works all day, alternator is good, just the battery doesn't give a good connection due to that buildup right between the terminal and the battery connection here, battery post and a terminal. So pretty much get yourself a terminal, put that on, splice it, put it in there, squeeze it in there and get it on there. So this got more than enough freedom here to move around. So once it's all done, I'll show you that. But I'm gonna splice it from here, get the terminal itself. Okay, this guy gave me a different type of terminal, but we still can squeeze it over there. But we'll finish this out once you see it. So it could be a small little repair, just replacing a terminal. Okay, just inspect your thing every I would inspect it often. Okay, this thing is all corroded out. They try to clean, but it's still not gonna make a good connection. Anyways, I'll show you once it's done. Okay, so this baby's done. There you go. The car should start up real beautiful right now. We cleaned this inside. The terminal was pretty good. The other one's kind of corroded. My friend here I had one of my mechanics help me out here. This portion, so he should have hadn't taken off this wire shrink. It should have only been that much. This should have been grabbing that, so we will do it down the road. But there you go. It's just pretty good, nice and solid connection. This is tight. This is tight. Everything is tight. Here's the old terminal, so that just a little bit of that corrosion inside is not gonna let your car start. Okay, just because of that, your car is not gonna start. And on a startup, it needs all the amperage it can. Okay, every amperage has to travel through there. Piece of cake. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.